Welcome everyone. Halloween is soon approaching, and you might be using your 3D printer to decorate your space. Fear not, even though you should. I found a perfect 3D model for you, designed by Fulv. This haunted manor you're seeing in the video can be downloaded by visiting the following link. I will also leave the link in the description and in the comment section. This is a paid model, but you will not be disappointed by it. It took me close to 5 days to print it because I only have one printer. Regardless of how long it took you to make this piece of art will make you look at 3D printing in a completely different way. When chatting with other people, I've been using these pictures as a means of showing off what the technology can do. Now I know there's a person responsible for designing this piece, so please give Fulv some love by visiting their Patreon and showing some support. Before we move on to the assembly of the model, I'd like to say a big thank you to Polymaker and their wonderful filament that made this model a reality. Throughout the video, I will showcase what parts were printed using their filament and will also link their website, plus each individual color will be in the description. Please give them a visit and consider purchasing some of their filament. Now let's begin from the start. You can download Fulv's Haunted Manor from his page, or by searching Haunted Manor on Cults 3D. Once you've downloaded the file, you'll have to unzip it to reveal all of its content. This model is designed in mind that people have different types of printers. That is why you will find regular STL files, 3MF files for Bamboo Lab printers, and also Prusa printers. Once you have everything extracted, there will be PDF files with instructions on how to assemble this model. The instructions are very clear and easy to understand. The whole model assembles like a Lego piece. You do have to glue nearly half of the project. Fulv has a recommendation within instructions for what type of glue you should be using. I've ordered it myself, but due to time constraints in getting this model ready, I use Weld Bond that dries clear and doesn't expand. Once you have everything printed off and you've chosen the colors you're interested in printing this model with, it is time to assemble. Here's an overview of everything printed off. My favorite part has to be the iron fence. Alright, let's begin with the base assembly. The filament I used for the base is muted green PLA by Polymaker. The reason I chose this color is because I wanted to give this print more of a swampy look. The pieces are put together like a jigsaw puzzle, but you do have to glue them to make sure the base stays sturdy. Once you assemble the base foundation, we're going to continue with the base patio. I've perhaps chosen the wrong color for what the hedges are supposed to be, green, but let's just pretend they're covered in ash as a result of a nearby volcano that ruptured. Fulv has included two types of light holders that you're able to print out. I've chosen this pillar looking LED holder. You'll see in just a bit how this works. I'm going to use these color selectable LEDs. You can find them on Amazon or Temu. There are no specific LEDs that you need, but preferably for them to be roughly 3 meters or 10 feet long. It would also be nice if they had double-sided tape on them so they can stick to the base and not move around. Up next is my favorite part of this assembly, gate piers and iron fences. What makes it my favorite part of the build is the silk chrome filament that makes this print so real-like. The credit has to go to Fulv also for designing the fences as they are. I won't be showcasing the entirety of this build. I don't want to take the fun out of the people who will decide to print this model. But let me tell you this is one of the best 3D prints I've had the experience dealing with. I would like to once again thank Fulv and Polymaker in making this video happen. It's only September, and I already want the world to see this magnificent model. This truly has inspired me to aim higher when creating my own personal models, and hopefully, one day, I can showcase a project of my own worthy of such praise. Once again, all the links will be down in the description. Please follow them to make a haunted manor of your own, with your own colors. Now, Fulv has colors suggested on the 3MF file for Bamboo Lab users. Feel free to follow that. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any concerns, questions, or just comment what you thought of the overall model. I thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.